It's easy to figure that sometimes your motorcycle brakes can literally be your best friend. So don't take your brakes for granted. A little attention goes a long way. Honda brake systems use either drum brakes or disc brakes. Your first step should be to make sure the brakes are free from any of the common problems. They shouldn't squeal, grab, or drag, and the lever or pedal should not feel too hard and should be free from stiction. Almost every Honda with disc brakes uses a hydraulic system. Job one here is to make sure the system is full. Job 2 is to make sure it's full of the correct brake fluid, typically .4. Moisture is probably the #1 enemy of hydraulic brakes, so changing your brake fluid periodically isn't a bad idea. After water, air in the hydraulic system is your next big concern. When you bleed your brakes, what you're doing is removing trapped air bubbles. The specifics of removing or installing brake pads vary from machine to machine, and your best source of information is the Honda Service Manual for your specific bike. The Honda Common Service Manual is also an excellent source of information, and it's available from your Honda dealer in 3-ring binder form. With nothing more than a little attention and periodic pad or shoe and brake fluid replacement, your brakes can easily last the life of your motorcycle, scooter, or ATV. There are few subsystems more important than your brakes. Make sure you give them the attention they require.